Topic is nested loop. Nested. What can be a nested loop? Nested loop. Nest. Nest. It's nothing but simply a loop inside another loop. A loop inside another loop is called nested loop. A loop inside another loop. That means there is a outer loop, there is a inner loop. Outer loop, inner loop. Okay, usually we used to play songs in some app, right? So we can create a playlist, isn't it? We can create a playlist, say 8 songs. 8 songs I put in the playlist and it will start playing from 1 to 8. Yes or no? One by one. Yes or no? Hello? My audio is not proper. Hello, Dia? They say yes or no?
Ma'am.
Ah, okay. Hope you understood my example. Hana.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So what kind of loop it is? Normal loop or nested loop? Think and tell me. Anyone?
Normal loop, right?
Ah, it's a normal loop. Very good. It is a normal loop because 8 songs are here. 8 songs are there. So the loop will start from 1 to 8. 8 songs will be played. Then loop will end. That is an example of a loop. The program is written in such a way. Now another example. Your analog clock, a normal clock, not digital clock, analog clock. What can be the loop? Anyways, it's a loop because it is repeating.
Nested
Clock, yes. Is that the,
nested loop because our happened.
I can't see you. Turn on your video.
Ma'am, net issues.
First period itself, network issues. Wonderful.
Never
Okay.
like that.
Okay. Let me see you at least once. Then you turn off if you have network issues. So nested loop means a loop inside another loop. So the best example, real life example of a nested loop is your analog clock. Then how it can be a nested loop? How many handles are there? How many hands?
3. 3. Seconds, minute and hour.
Seconds and minutes. Normally that is
Hour is also there, right?
yes, 3. So it is very good. So it is some clock there will be only 2 hands. So in some clock there will be 3. So whether it is 2 or 3, again it's an example of nested loop. So if there are 3, then it is nesting like one loop, then another loop, inside that another loop. 3 continuous, 3 nested loops. If there are 2, so how it is working? Sri Hari, tell me how clock handles are working.
They rotate.
Louder.
They just rotate according to time.
Ah. Let's assume there are only 2 hands for a clock, that is hour and minute. Okay, let it be seconds. Okay, then how it works?
I don't know what's the question.
Loop, which can be the third loop? Okay, Amal Dal, which can be the third loop? The innermost loop. Hello, Amal Raj, inner loop.
Ma'am, the second.
Hmm?
Ma'am, second.
Seconds. Very good. Seconds is the innermost loop. Then the second outer loop is Emmanuel. Minutes. That needle. That is the minutes. Then outer one is
Hour.
hour. So hour will work how many times? If you say like numbers, we'll say that 12. Normally it's 12. One rotation will get over when it starts from 12 and reach 12 again. One rotation. What about minutes? Minute handle again 12 but 60 minutes. And second handles 60 seconds, isn't it? So each and every time the inner, so second, that is the innermost, then minutes, then hours. The same way we have a nested loop in Python. Okay, a loop inside another loop, then there can be another loop inside, there can be another loop inside, there can be another loop inside. So my question is, Evelyn, the hour handles at 12 and it should reach 1 o'clock. Then how many times it will work? It will execute hour and minute. From 12 to 1, if you say it in numbers, how will you say 12 to 1? What is the difference?
Our hand
Okay, leave.
work once.
Then what is the difference? One time, isn't it? 1 to 2. From 1 hour to the second hour, then it will work only once. The moving only from 1 to 2, the hour. Then what about minutes, Evelyn? Minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. So 60. What about seconds? Seconds. Achut. How many times it will execute? That tick, 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 how many times?
Get the question. 60 times.
60? That for 1 minute. Then
For 1 hour, you're asking, ma'am.
yes, for 1 hour. From 1 to 2.
60 into 60.
60 into
60.
60. So that many times the loop will execute, the inner loop will execute. So there is a difference when you say the execution timing for inner loop and outer loop. I hope you all get confused. No problem. Let's see how this loop works. So a real life example of a nested loop is your analog clock. Okay, now let's see how it works. Hope it is okay. Sorry. So this is the proper definition for a nested loop. A loop may contain another loop in its loop body. This form of a loop is called nested loop. Now let's see an example. This is I in range 1, 11. So how many times this for loop will execute? Aditya Raj, how many times?
Ma'am, 10 times.
10 times. Very good. So that is clear. So I'm going to write the loop body for this. Loop body is how many times the inner loop will execute, Meghna? For j in range 1, comma 11?
10 times.
10 times. How many times star will be displayed for the first time? Ashwin? And inside the inner for loop, how many times star will be executed? Star will be displayed? Unmute, Ashwin. I couldn't hear it. Huh? Louder. Dia, are you able to hear anything from Ashwin?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So who will say it? Ashish. How many times star will be displayed if only you just imagine you forget about the 4i in range 1 comma 11, forget about that. There is only 4j in range 1 comma 11, print star. What will be the output? Ashish, Benny, Vidhur, turn on your video and tell me the answer. Hello, take that window, this Zoom window, and tell me the answer. See, just forget about the first line. Okay, listen, forget about the first line. What is the first line? 4i in range 1 comma 11. Just imagine you have only the second line, third line as your program code. Then how many times star will be displayed?
9 times.
10 times star will be displayed. How? One star, then next star in the next line, because print statement will always execute with a new line automatically. So 10 times star will be executed. Any doubt in that? Anyone? 10 times star will be displayed on the screen. Is there any doubt in that? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Achyut?
No doubt, ma'am.
Then why can't you unmute and say? Or somebody told you that if teacher asks you some question, don't unmute. Simply keep quiet because it is coming in your recorded session. Because of that, was Adul KK? Ah. Respond, children, or you are studying for the examination. Is it like that? By turning off your videos? Today's, what's the exam today?
Chemistry.
What?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. Oh, that is why many videos are off. I can see from here through my inner eyes. Changing the windows, taking the new windows. And it is shared screen, so no need of turning on your video. Is it like that, Anthony? Okay. So I hope there is no doubt star will be displayed 10 times. Now let's change the question. You're not changing the question. Some changes I'm making for this. Now, Elvina, tell me what will be the change in the output? Emmanuel, are you there, Emmanuel? Yes. Elvina, tell me what will be the change in the output?
Ma'am, after printing the star 10 times, it will end.
No, what is the change? The previous case, the output will look like this. Star, 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 star. Previous case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I change the coding into this, what's the change in the output?
It will stop.
No, what is the change in the output?
It will end.
No, dear, no. I have already taught you in the previous class. I don't know whether you were there or not. Emmanuel,
Will come in one line.
yes, it will come in one line. Okay, Elvina. Elvina,
Yes, ma'am.
if you write a statement, and is equal to space, star will always follow a space. Space star. So every stars will come in a single line. That is the speciality. So now let's see how this program works. Okay, just a moment. Let me write another print statement here. What can be the meaning of this print statement? Atul, what will happen if I write a blank print statement here, like this? Atul KK?
Nothing will be printed.
Atul KK? I'm asking you, unmute.
Nothing will be printed.
No? Nothing will be printed, but something will happen. What will happen? What will happen to the control? The control of the execution or the cursor. After printing 10 starts, what will happen? It will go to the new line. Okay. When you write a blank print statement, what it means, just go to the new line. It is exactly same as slash and statement. Okay. Understood? Simply, if you write a print statement blank, it will go to the new line. The control of the execution, the cursor, where it was there, it will go to the new line. That's it. Like a slash, a print statement. Now let's see how it works. Now listen carefully. Close all your chemistry books and listen here. Now let's see the execution of this loop. I, J. And this is your output. Okay. Mohammed Adim. Tell me, Mohammed Adim? Mohammed Adim. Nevin?
It's not
Nevin, what is the first value of I?
right.
Yes? What did you say?
1.
What is the first value of I? Hello? Ashwin, tell me what is the starting value of I?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Starting value 5 is?
No. Can you hear me?
You can't hear me?
Can you hear me?
Oh, louder. I can't hear you. Okay, leave. Elvina, what is the value of I?
1.
1. So this is your entire programming. Okay. After explaining this, I will ask you if you don't get the answer, if you don't tell me the answer, you will take it as a seminar in the next class. So that is the best option. For I in range 1,11. So it starts the program the execution of the program starts from the first line. I's value is 1. So I'm writing it here 1. Okay. Now, what is inside the body of the loop? Elvina, in the body of the loop, it's another for loop, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
This will execute. The first time the condition is true, control will come to this. But again, another for loop. So again, that will execute for j in range. So what will be the first value of j?
1.
Very good. 1. So the condition is given, comma 11. That means it will work till 10. So 1 is less than 11. So it will come into the body of the inner loop. And what will happen, Elvina? Print star, comma, end.
It will come in a single line.
How many stars?
10 stars.
Oh, this is the first time the loop is working when j is equal to 1. So 1 star will be displayed. Okay. Clear? Still here, Abdul KK? 1 star.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the speciality of our inner loop is it will continue until the condition is false. That is, only after executing the entire for loop, it will go to the outer for loop. So, control will again come to this place. That means the inner for loop will execute continuously. That is, j will become, Atul, j will become
2.
2. Then the output will be, okay, 1 star was here already, 2 stars. Then again the loop continue. Then j will become 3. Then 3 stars, 4, 4 stars, 5, 5 stars, 6, 6 stars, 7, 7 stars, 8, 10. Then j will become 11. When j becomes 11, what happens? Adityaraj, when j becomes 11,
Ma'am, it gets control to the outer loop.
inner loop will exit. Okay, listen carefully. Inner loop will exit. When inner loop exits, what will happen? It will go to the new line. What is the new line? What is the next line? Print. Print. Nothing but go to the new line. So the control of execution will go to a new line. The control will come here. This is your output window. Okay. After this, what will happen to the control of the loop? Is the loop got over? No. What will happen? The control, let me change the color. The control of the execution will go to here. So I already became 1. Now what will be the new value of I, Emmanuel? Emmanuel, new value of I. I will be incremented to
1.
incremented to Evelyn, I incremented to
2.
2. So the condition is true. Then what happens? It will again enter into this for loop. In this for loop, j in range 1 comma 11, isn't it? That means again it is seeing it as a new loop. So again j will be initialized to, Evelyn, j will be initialized to
1.
j will be initialized to
2.
2. Not 2. It will start from 1 again. See this one. It will start again from 1. And how many times star will be displayed? Srihari?
10 times.
10 times. So 10 stars. Then J inner loop again will complete fully. Then print statement. So it will go to the new line. Then again the control will go to outer loop. Then I will become, Srihari, I's new values?
3.
3. Then again it will enter into the inner for loop. Then inside the inner for loop, how many times star will be displayed again? Adityaraj?
Ma'am, 10 times.
Hence. In that way, it will continue. That means the inner loop always starts executing from the first value to the last value. Only the outer loop changes each and every time. Then I becomes 4. Then again inner loop will execute from 1 to 11. J will be starting from the initialized value 1 to 10. So again, in that way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will be executed 10 times, isn't it? Achyut. I will be executed 10 times. Inner loop also will be executed 10 times each and every time when i's value changes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stars, stars. That means 10 lines. These 10 lines. Which color I will choose now? Okay, black. Now listen. These 10 lines. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line, seventh line, eighth line, ninth line, 10th line. These 10 line shows the outer loop variables. Outer loop variables. Then these 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 shows inner loop values. Each and every time inner loop executes 10 times. That means when i's value is 1, inner loop executes 10 times. When i's value becomes 2, inner loop execute 10 times. When i's value becomes 3, inner loop execute 10 times. Because in inner loop always it will initialize from the beginning. So total how many times this loop will execute? Dia, how many times the loop will execute? Total. Inner loop plus outer loop.
100 something.
Only 10 times. Outer loop itself executes 10 times. Who can say? Vitor? How many times the loop will execute? Complete loop.
Many times, ma'am. I don't know.
No. No, no, no. Who can say? Elvina, what do you think?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. Anybody has any answer? Adityaraj?
Ma'am, 100.
Very good. 100 times. 100 times loop executed, isn't it? 100 stars got printed. If 100 stars got printed means how many times the loop executed? 100 times. That means the outer loop is ranges 1 to 10. Inner loop ranges 1 to 10. So 10 into 10. That is how the inner loop executes. Total loops. The outer loop range into inner loop range. 10 into 10. If the outer loop is 3 and the inner loop range is 4, then how many times the full loop will execute? 3 into 4. Okay? If the outer loop is 10, the inner loop is 2, then the loop will execute 10 into 2, 20 times. So let's see that in the next class. Okay? Even if you did not understand, no problem. We'll see in the next class with some examples and some syntaxes. Okay? Bye. Thank you.